Almond flour crackers. Welcome back friend to the channel Indian Keto Cuisine. Today we'll prepare crackers made of almond flour. Let's go to the kitchen. Here are the ingredients: 1 cup almond flour, 3 tablespoon water, 1 cup flaxseed meal, 2 tablespoon ghee and half teaspoon salt. So we are putting our almond flour into the bowl. Almond flour is the most widely used keto flour substitute, which is extremely low in carbs, containing only 3 grams of total carb. And next we'll be adding flaxseed meal into it, which is high in dietary fiber and extremely low in net carbs. So they are ideal for keto and low carb diets, and it's a natural booster for your digestive system too. They also have omega-3 fatty acid, which can lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases. And so henceforth we'll be adding ghee into it. 2 teaspoons of ghee. So once these all are added, we just need to mix it up and make sure that you have taken the right quantity. And thereafter we'll be adding salt into it, half teaspoon of salt, and mixing it together. Don't mix it in a way that the ghee absorbs in only one part. Mix it widely throughout the flour mixture, and once it's a little mixed, we can put 3 tablespoons of water around so that it can be prepared into a well-rounded dough. And you can see our dough is ready. So we'll be taking a parchment paper, we'll put the dough in the middle and we'll cover it with another parchment paper. And after that, with the roller, we can press it just like we make tortillas, or we call roti in Hindi. We need to just roll it out so that the dough spreads around. And once it's done, you can see it's flattened. And now we need to cut it into pieces. So we are just cutting it into pieces according to your shape, whatever you wish for. I'm going for the basic one, the rectangle ones. And for taking it out, you can use a knife or anything, possibly with your hand even. So it's all up to you, and I'm just using the knife. So all my rectangle crackers are going to come out now, which is not cooked till now. So I'm taking a tray with the parchment paper, and here is the cut ones provided. So it's all into the tray. But before putting it into the microwave, we need to add the Italiano seasoning into it. So here's my Keto Italiano seasoning, and we're taking and just sprinkling it over all the cookies. Once it's done, we need to go to a microwave. So microwave needs to be preheated at convection mode for 2 minutes in 180 degrees centigrade. Also, after it, we need to bake it at 1 degree for 14 minutes. So for 14 complete minutes, we need to bake it. Once the baking is done, our crackers is all ready and you are ready to enjoy it. So do like the video, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.